Hi guys, I'm back. My brother is seriously not playing Nerf War. Would you believe that? He's usually on my VR box.
Hi.
See? He's usually recording. Anyway, he's not going to play. I know.
Yeah, I am playing. Here we go.
Oh, come on. Not virtual reality. Take that off. Come on. Take it off.
Well, I'm playing this one.
You don't post that on. Come on. Take it off. And, you. Get off.
Ooh, it is green.
You?
It looks like Nickelodeon slime.
Say.
Yeah, I'm just gonna squeeze it on out.
Oh, get up like that. Guys, she's been very weird lately. I don't even know why. Anyway, try big popcorn. So good. I like it. Anyway, lately, he's playing virtually. And I've got these guns. And if you guys didn't want to pick what I did, these are the guns stuff I've got. Anyway, that's so far so good. And I'm going to get some attachments. Oh my god. I have a sniper stand and that. Something I was looking for. Some more magazines. Stuff like that. Actually, that's actually not too bad. Actually not that bad. It's not that bad. Anyway, let's get right into it. If you want to see us fight, please tell my brother to play Nerf War and my sister. Whoa, pretty hard. That was what I'm going to use. Come on. Where are ya? Where are ya? Come on. You're really kidding me. He's literally nowhere. Just been into something. Anyway, please tell him to play Nerf War. My Hyperfire is getting angry. You ready? He's really angry. And look what he sounds like. See? Very angry. Anyway, is this right to play? Tell my brother. Is it right to play with a virtual reality headset box?
Oh.
It's very weird, hey? He's weirdo. Anyway, if you don't like it, yeah, it's alright if you don't like it or not. I don't like it either. He is seriously making me cross. You. Yeah, that's right. He looks so weird. Like, he literally looked like that. It looks so weird. So yeah. Tell him to do it. Tell him to play Nerf War with me. Peace.
Yes,